Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this backpack here from Lululemon. All right, you guys might laugh at me, and that's okay. I'm here to give you the honest review on everything that I share with you. And the reason I say you might laugh at me is because you're gonna be like, how can you say that you have another favorite? I do. Deal with it. It is what it is. This Lululemon backpack might be one of my favorite backpacks. It is one of my favorite backpacks. And you might ask why. And normally, I would tell you all about the amazing pockets and interior organization and all the cool design features that said bag has that makes it my favorite. This doesn't have any of that. It's your standard backpack, but so awesome. I have been wanting to try out a Lululemon backpack for a super long time. I'm big into their belt bags, big into their tote bags. You guys have seen all the reviews I've done on them, but I wanted to try one of their backpacks, and this one kept popping up in my feed, and it kept kind of was just there. Every time I went on the Lululemon website, I was like, oh, that could be a really cool one to try. So I grabbed it. I grabbed it when it was on sale. I don't think they have this color anymore. I think this is called the trench color. They usually always have black, and they release, as I'm sure a lot of you know, new colors all of the time. So I'm not even sure right now as I do this video what colors are available in this one, but this is one of their standard style backpacks. I will put the name of it, the link, and everything down below. But it is like your basic backpack, and it's awesome because I think it is such a good bag, almost the perfect travel bag. And the reason I say almost is because on the back of it here, it does not have a luggage sleeve because it's not designed to be a travel backpack. It's designed more to be like a student backpack, and it's perfect for that. It is so big and roomy yet comfortable, and doesn't have all of the fluff. Like, it doesn't need all of the fluff for it to be functional. And I feel like that's really kind of what this backpack is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, talk about it more with the camera just focused on the backpack, so it's hard for me to hold it up with my iPad in here and my books and all of that and really kind of go through it. And then I'll show you, of course, like what I have packed up inside. Also, which I mentioned recently in a previous video, which I'll keep kind of reminding you guys in these next couple videos as we kind of get into this year, I did a brand new What's in My Bag blog page. So it always lives there. It will have links to wallets I talk about, pouches I talk about. If there's like certain items that I pack in my bags all the time, it will have links to those on there too. So if you're looking for something that I shared in one of my bags that you can't like remember where it was from or what exactly it was, the odds are you're gonna find it there. All right, I'm having to record this one just a little bit weird here on the chair because this backpack is so tall that it wouldn't really fit on top of my table where I normally do my packing videos. But let's go through everything that I have packed up inside. Over here on this side, I just have my water bottle. This is a hydro flask, 24 ounce, I believe, but the water bottle or bottle pockets or whatever you want to call them on the side of the bag are so wide that you could really fit any type of water bottle on either side of those. Over here on this side, I actually just have my charger kind of like wadded up over here so that I can put it in my car. And then I have some gum and some Altoids in there. So you can fit a lot in these side pockets. The only other pocket on the outside of this bag is gonna be this front pocket here. And when you unzip it, you have a ton of room inside here. I just have a couple of pens and a Sharpie, a scrunchie. I have my eyeglasses in this kind of blue eyeglass case here tucked in there. And then I also have down in there my hand cream. This has been my favorite for a little while. The only other thing in this front pocket is this Lily Jade packing case. This is the small size. They come in a pack of 3. They're awesome. And as you can see, I just have a bunch of snacks in there. I could fit way more in here if I wanted to, but they come in a ton of different colors. They're clear in the front so you can see everything packed inside, and they fit like nice and slim in a lot of your bags. Moving on to the main bulk of the bag, you have 2 zipper pulls, and the zippers are nice and smooth. It's a really nice, like, quality backpack. And as you can see here, there is a ton of room on top of this bag. So I could easily throw in a sweater or my headphones or a travel pillow or anything like that in this big open cavity. And I think that's one of the things that makes this bag really awesome for travel. But I'm just gonna kind of pull everything out. Tucked over here in the corner, I actually have my Ondar Indie bag, and this is actually really comparable to the Lululemon like 1L belt bag, but it is full grain leather and it's so nice. This is the tan color. It has this like canvas strap, really nice hardware. I'll kind of go through this really quickly. This front pocket, I think I just have a hair tie. It opens up really nice and wide, and it's pretty much like anything that I would need to like grab and go into something, like into somewhere real quick that I wouldn't need my big old backpack. I just have some lip gloss in there. I have my cuticle cream, which is kind of like a hand cream almost. I have another lip product. This is my Ondar dinner wallet. And this is another great product if you haven't seen them. They're just a small little compact wallet. I have my keys attached here to it as well. They come in a ton of different colors. And then you have a back zipper pocket, and you also have these 2 pockets here, which I just have gum and my Touchland hand sanitizer. So this is nice just to kind of throw in this big backpack so I don't have to take it in places with me. And moving on right here next to it, you can't really see it, but it's tucked all the way down here. And that is the small pouch in the Mina Bay Mia trio of pouches. These also come in a set of 3, just like the Lily Jade ones. They come in leather, they come in nylon. Inside this one, it's just kind of like a little mini med kit, if you will. I have my pill case tucked down in here, which has literally anything I would ever need on the go. And then I have Band-Aids, cough drops, eye drops, all that, like eyeglass wipes, all that kind of stuff. So it's like a little mini on-the-go med kit. The other item I have in here is the medium packing case in this Lily Jade trio. I had the small one, if you remember, in the front. This is the medium size, and it has all of my tech stuff. So I have my SD card holder in here. I have some stickers for my planner, Post-its, a notepad. I have all my charging cables, my Apple Pencil. This is an external, like on-the-go charger, which is actually really cool if y'all haven't seen this one. It has a bunch of different charging cables in the back, so you can charge like whatever type of device that you have, and you can see how much charging battery you have left on it. So pretty cool. I have all of that stuff kind of tucked down in this pouch here. Then I have the book that I'm reading. I'm currently in the Off Limits rule. I literally just started it, so I can't say how I feel about it, but I absolutely love Sarah Adams books. So I just read the, oh gosh, what was it? The Perfect Catch, I think? Is that what it's called? I don't know. I have it linked in my like books. It was so good. So I'm reading that one. I also have my planner that I'm in. This is this is an Erin Condren hourly planner. So I'm using that. And then I have my Erin Condren notebook. This is an 8.5 by 11 that I do all my content planning in. Then I have another just pad of paper back here in the back. And then tucked down in the laptop sleeve, which is the only pocket on the inside of this bag, I have my iPad 12 or 13 Pro Max or whatever the biggest size is. And then I have my keyboard kind of attached. Can't really open it, but yeah, down in there. So it makes it like a little bit bulkier, but it fits like no problem down inside that backpack. So I'll give you one last look of the bag empty. There's not a lot to this one, but it's really good. Big laptop sleeve, nice quality, big front pocket. It pretty much has anything that you would need in a backpack. It's simple and it's just really comfortable and easy to pack. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that might be interested in this backpack here from Lululemon. I hope it was helpful. I will have links to this backpack as well as all the items that are in my bag down pinned in the comments as well as in the description box. Should you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I am always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.